everybody. So today let's look at how to create a pattern selection. These are pretty straightforward. So let's start, I think today with a tube. Let's do that. And I want this tube to be sitting on top of the grid here. No particular reason why, but I'm just being an old OCD fusspot. Alright, so I'm going to create a relative reference here between the height and the Y center. You can see that this moves this up into a higher position. I'll times that by 0.5, and now I can see that's sitting on the grid, and each time I increase the height now, it will stay on the grid. Alright, nice. Let's make this fairly high. Ooh, there we go, looking good. And I'll add a bunch of rows in here just to give myself a bit more resolution. Okay, now how do I create a pattern selection? Let me try and show you this. So all I'm going to do is hit my cursor. I've got my polygons or primitives already selected. I'm going to select one, and then I might select another. Let's select one here. So I've got one, space of 2, and then I've got another one selected. Now I want to set this pattern. There's two ways I can do this. The first one I'm going to show you is right click, pattern selection, set pattern. I also have the option of the Shift P that you can see there as a hotkey. Alright, and it says valid pattern. Nice. Now in order to add that pattern either direction, I just hit Shift and then the arrow key for whichever direction I want to go in. So if I want to go up in Y, I just hit the Shift and Y key, Shift and arrow up key, and then I can add them. Shift and down arrow, there we go. Shift and the right arrow moves everything to the right, and Shift and the left arrow moves everything to the left. That's it. Okay, hope that was useful. Any questions, please leave them below, and you guys have a great day.